Unjani? Bengithi mina ngisacela bandla ungiseyivela le video. Yabo? Ngifuna ukuyisendela umama. Abangani bami abaseswatini engangifunda nabo. Men and women kade bekhala ngalento. Kade bethi bayasaba izingane zabo bayisabela ngoba izingane ziyalahleka eSwatini. Especially uma kwafika lesi sigebengu lesi kuthiwa make nje kwafika yena hawu kuthiwa ngisho kuthiwa large number, a very scary number, and izinto ey'kanjalo aziveli ey'ndabeni. So bavele bangazi ukuthi iy'ngane bazenze njani, bazoyiposa kuphi ngenxa yokuthi uma kwafika le ndoda. So engathi bebefuna ukuboycott, yabo. Mina-ke ngiyazi ngoba uma wathi ena njengoba sekuzoqala isigeme, sekuzoqala lo July wakhona, wathi uzobona khona isigemegeme se-weather esizoba khona. Yabona leya hurricane eyenzeka kuthiwa kuyena. And most uyabheka abantu bakhe indlela abamthanda ngayo, it's the same thing le eyenzeka kuMaskandi. Abantu bathande
this ritual murderer, this foul ritual murderer, actually ritual murderers, Shembe from South Africa and King Mswati III. Okay, Shembe, listen, let me explain something to you that you don't understand. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland, not King Mswati. King Mswati is not a free, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, along with the Queen Mother. So you cannot say you have not come to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland. You've come to Swaziland to see the King and the Queen Mother. When you come see the Queen Mother and the King, you're essentially coming to see the people of Swaziland. Ungasitsheli ukuthi awukeze uzokhuluma namaSwati, uzobona inkosi nendlovukazi. Kusho wena, Masimbenje. Don't say that. Because what you're doing, you agree with King Mswati that the country belongs to him. It's his farmland. Everything in Swaziland belongs to him and everything in it. Okay? So I want you to understand that point of clarification. You cannot say when you come to Swaziland, you're not coming to Swazis. You're coming to Swazis. When you come to the King of Swaziland and the Queen Mother, we know what you're coming there to do. We know your filthy business, that you're coming there to murder our children, to so-called Qinisinkosi, to strengthen the king. So all these children that disappeared while you were in Swaziland were killed by you on behalf of the King of Swaziland. Okay, that's why you're saying you're not coming to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland, because you're coming there to murder them, to murder their children and cause chaos in this country. We don't want you to ever come back to our country. Young Vashembe, asifuni ukubona ever again in our lives. We don't want you coming back to Swaziland. Okay? We're going to do something to you next time you come to Swaziland. Wena Shembe, uzoganga la eSwazini, uzoganga. You're killing innocent children and you're hiding behind this fake religion. I've done a whole research on your religion, and I know what you're about. Wena Shembe. So don't come back here and say you're coming to visit the king, as if the king is a free agent, is a free entity, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, as well as Indlovukazi. Inkosi Mswati, inkosi yaMaswati. Ngiyathi kuthi akakwati lokho, ngoba akakhuliswanga kahle. Akathi kuthi kuba inkosi yini. Yini umsebenzi wakhe? Kuthi abe inkosi la eveni laMaswati. Asisamfuni, sinaphuma phela. Ngoba uyaganga la kaNgwane. Uyangivashembe, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Masimbenja, mthakathi. Mthakathi. Masimbenja, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Tobulala abantwana beMaswati. Uthi uqinisa le nkosi le. Uyaganga. Wena Shembe. Sis man. Damn it. This is why Maswati.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosas Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Hi Nina. So there's a viral video about the local magola paya nakokuti uma kufika shembe Eswatini bantwana bayalahleka into lihlala yenteka lena abantu abasathi ukuthi kufuna babafihle abantu babo because makufika yena bantwana baya lahleka because went ama-rituals ngalabantwana zamaqinisa inkosi uKing Mswati the third. And yesterday ngifake ivideo yamonti inkosi umothi inkosi walapha Eswatini akhuluma naye ngashembe ukuthi abasamfuni lapha Eswatini because makafika yena kulahleka abantwana nani because ushembe bekaseswatini not so long ago. I think is last week if I'm not mistaken ayobona King Mswati, and apparently lahleke abantwana ngaleso sikhathi because kuthiwa uyabathatha abantwana and i-ritual azamiqinisa abani Mswati. So some people bathi vele awumuntu uqinisile lwakhuluma ngokuliqiniso, and some saying ukuthi hayibo ayikho nje lento laba ayikhulumako basukela njena ushembe wabantu ayikho lento la ayikhulumako. Please do comment what you think wena down in the comment section. Usho ukuthi wena uqabangani mayelana naleli dzaba. Mina nawe siyobonana kule dark video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.